Bridge, confirm target depth reached.
Roger that. Winch 2 holding steady at 3,800 meters.
Now, slow and steady.
Holding tension on the stern line, approaching contact.
Contact made, cradle engaged. We have compression.
Hold your position, stabilize the hook.
Cable 1 is secure.
Check the tension on the straps, lift slow.
Check the torque on that shackle!
It's tight, Captain!
All clear, ready for lift!
Hold tension on those tags.
All right, she's fully clear. Let him go.
Confirmed clear, ascending.
Finally clear. It looks perfect.
What a relief.
All right, hand the rest down slowly.
Careful with that edge. Watch the fracture.
We're clear on this side, passing it down now.
All right, we got it down here.
Copy that. Releasing the tension now. Start the photogrammetry sweep on the lower pedals.
We're seeing significant bronze disease near the waterline.
Noted. Let's prioritize stabilization on the stress points.
The reading is 6.8 inches.
Confirmed. Marking point B4 on the schematic.
This spot shows 88% copper. Okay, logging that now. Check near the stress fracture.
All right, team, let's get the water tanks connected.
Roger that. Make sure the pressure washers are primed.
We're starting ascent on the west tower now.
I'll continue with the remaining 120 prompts, maintaining complete consistency and detail.
the fracture repair is seamless, incredible work.
Agreed. The color matching on the rust highlights is perfect.
Apply the wax evenly in circular motions.
Okay, we're almost ready to start buffing the lower section.
Be careful around the stress fracture.
I'm applying it slowly. How does the chest look?
It's stabilizing well.
Right there. See the blue spot near the base? That indicates thinner bronze.
Got it. I'll flag that for further inspection.
Can you move slightly to the left? I want to capture the full length of the repair.
Okay, how is that angle? The color calibration looks good here.
That's perfect. It blends seamlessly.
Bring it around to the left side now.
Okay, the swirling flame patterns on the Ushnisha look clean. Wax coating is holding up well.
The microcrystalline layer looks uniform across the shoulder. See the blue-white glow?
Yes, noting the complete coverage. Overlapping strokes, just like we practiced.
Got it. The solution is going on smoothly over the wax.
Check the alignment on section 3.
Looks good. Start securing the bolts.
Watch the foam on the corner.
Secure the foam around the bracelets now.
Copy that. Moving to the right arm.
Watch the thumbs on the mudra.
We did it!
It looks amazing.
Make sure the tips are fully covered. We need more tape over here. Careful around the seismic mounts.
Check the seam on the lower left.
Looks good, fully secured.
We are clear for crating.
Easy now, easy.
Steady, steady.
Set it down, we are aligned. Bring it down very slowly, maintain 0.3 meters per minute.
Roger that. Watch the corners, we are aligned.
We actually did it. 32 feet of bronze secured.
Yeah.
It's magnificent. The team did an incredible job.
All right, keep coming straight back.
Whoa, hold it. That's good right there.
Okay, ground pressure is increasing. We are clear of the floor now. Confirming 75% on the LMI.
Okay, bringing it up slowly. Keep the rotation steady.
Copy that. Watching the lines on the east side.
Clear communication. All green here.
Great job, everyone. Safe travels.
Okay, bring it in slow.
We're clear on this side.
Looks good. Aim for the markers.
Clear on the right. Roger that. Coming left slowly. How's the clearance?
Looks good. 40 feet to the door.
Watch your gap on the right. We're tight here.
Confirmed. 4 feet clearance remaining. Keep lowering slowly.
Safety check complete. We are initiating the lift sequence on my mark. All personnel, clear the immediate vicinity of the crate now.
Okay, the bolts are clear. Crane, take the tension.
Tension is set. Swinging the panel out now.
Okay, gently now. Hand me that piece.
Got it. Looks clean underneath.
Absolutely stunning. The patina is flawless.
All right, team, double check the tension on the straps. We are clear for the lift on the east side.
Copy that, tension looks good.
The load is perfectly balanced.
We are within the 2% tolerance. Ready for the lift.
All clear for lift. Proceed at 0.2 meters per minute.
Copy. Lifting now.
We have lift off the cradle. Looking good down here.
Roger that. Maintaining 0.2 meters per minute. Load is balanced. Crane 1, hold position. Crane 2, slight adjustment down, very slow. Ground crew, keep those lines taut. 2 inches forward, 1 inch left, perfect hold position.
Base contact confirmed. All 4 points engaged.
Torque achieved.
Confirmed at 150. Logging now.
The sleeves are clear on this side.
All right, signaling the crane to lower.
Make sure the disconnect points are secured before we move.
Try the neutral white, 3500K.
It loses the warmth, dropping back to 3000K and 6 to 5%. Much better.
Ensure the spacing remains exactly 8 feet between each stanchion for optimal viewing.
Finishing the macro shots on the Lotus base now.
Roger that. Adjusting the fill light slightly higher for the patina texture.
This is a monumental achievement. 300 years of history preserved for generations to come.
Thank you all.